Hey everyone, and welcome. Are you ready to meet some brand new friends? Come on, let's jump into a world where all your school supplies are magical. Hello, little geniuses. Look, it's our guide, the young wizard, ready to take us on an awesome flying adventure. Let's go meet our incredible new friends. All right, first up, let's meet the team that helps us create all our amazing ideas. It's the writing and drawing crew. Whoa! Look over there. Our very first friend is the super friendly book. See how it's opening its pages? It's so excited to share all its stories. That's right, it's a book. Boing. Who is this bouncy character? It's the playful notebook. It just loves when you fill its pages with all your cool drawings and ideas. Can you say notebook? And check this out. Standing so tall and proud, we have the ruler. It's really confident and always helps us draw the straightest lines. This is our awesome friend, the ruler. Wow, it's a super duo. Here come the pen and the pencil, working together as a team. Look at them draw that star. So cool. That's the pen and pencil. But wait, the adventure's not over yet. Let's meet the rest of the crew that helps make all our creations just perfect. Well, hello there. It's the happy pencil case, opening its zipper mouth to say hi. It keeps all the other friends safe and sound inside. That's a pencil case. Room! Did you see that? Who's that zipping around so fast? It's the busy little sharpener. It makes sure every pencil has a nice, sharp point for drawing. That's a sharpener. Uh-oh, a little mistake on the page. But don't you worry. Here comes the bouncy eraser to save the day. It just slides right in and cleans it all up with a little magic sparkle. Way to go, eraser! Wow, look at all these amazing colors. It's the crayons. This happy bunch loves to jump around and fill the whole world with a beautiful rainbow. Crayons! Okay, get ready. Things are about to get super fast. We're going to meet some more amazing tools in a quick montage. Let's see if you can keep up. First one up is the Corrector. It zips right in to fix ink mistakes in a flash. And here's the marker sliding in to make a big, bold, and super friendly line. Next up is tape. It's really sticky and always helps put things together. Snip, snip, look at them go. It's the scissors dancing around and cutting out fun shapes. Phew, what an adventure that was. After a long day of making amazing things, it's time for everyone to get home safe. I wonder who can help with that. Of course, it's the big, friendly bag. With its strong straps, it opens up really wide to give all its school supply friends a safe and cozy ride home. What a great bag! You've officially met them all. So what do you think, little geniuses? Are you ready to see the whole magical crew together one more time? Let's give them a huge round of applause. Here they are, your vocabulary superstars. All of our amazing magical school supply friends are here to say hello. You all did such a fantastic job today learning all these new words. Keep practicing and always remember that every school supply has its own special kind of magic. See you on our next adventure!